7th standard, exercise 1.2 fifth problem. On the set of all natural number, let R be the relation defined by A related to B. Let R be the relation defined by A related to B. Is a relation A related to B if 2A plus 3B equal to 30. If 2A plus 3B equal to 30, it is for condition. This one is relation. Write down the relation by listing all pair. Write down the relation by listing all pair. Check whether it is reflexive, symmetry. Third one is transitive. Fourth one is equivalent relation. So given relation, this condition, using A and B are set of all natural number. Check whether list out the relation. List out the relation meaning that all pair of element in R. So one by one we check it. Reflexive, symmetry, transitivity, then equivalence. This is the solution. So what is data are given that set of all natural number for all A comma B, for all A comma B belongs to N. It is meaning that for all numbers A comma B belongs to N. This one is given data. So second one is relation. So what is relation? A related to B. It is one is relation. Third one is condition. Third one is what is condition? 2A plus 3B equal to 30. It is condition. First we have to find out. To find all pair of element in R. To find all pair of element in R. After that, you have to check it. It is reflexive, symmetry, transitivity, and equivalent relations. Clear information for this data. First one is we have to find out the pair of element in relation. To find, therefore, the pair of element R equal to first pair of element is 3, 8. Second pair of element is 6, 6, and third pair of element is 9, 4. Fourth pair of element is 12, 2. This one is the pair of element in relation. So how to find this pair of element is, so using this condition. So first one is using the condition for 2A plus 3B equal to 30. 2A plus 3B equal to 30. Therefore 3B equal to 30 minus 2A. B equal to 30 minus 2A by 3. This one is the value of B. If A and B are natural number. So natural number start with from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first one is replace A by 1. If A equal to 1, B equal to 30 minus 2 into 1 by 3. Therefore B equal to 30 minus 2, 28 by 3. 28 by 3 is a not integer. So does not belongs to N. So A cannot be taken 1. So again replace. We have to check it. A equal to 2. Put A equal to 2 in this process. 2 into 13 minus 2 into 2, 4. 13 minus 4, 26 by 3 not divided by in B. So replace by B equal to 13 minus 2 into 2. 2 into 2 by 3. B equal to 30 minus 4 by 30 minus 4 by 3 equal to 26 by 3, thus not belongs to n. So 2 is not a value in this pair. So other checking a equal to 3. If you replace by 3 in a, therefore b equal to 30 minus 2 into 3 by 3. So b equal to 30 minus 2 into 3, 6. So 24 by 3. 24 by 3 equal to 8 3s are 24. So this belongs to n. Therefore, we get the first pair of element is 3, 8. After that, check it 4, 5. Second pair of element 6, 6. And third pair of 9, 4. Fourth pair is 12, 2. We have to check this process. Therefore, the required pair of relation is 3, 8, 6, 6, 9, 4, 12, 2. It is a clear explanation. After that, we have checking this pair. This relation is reflexive, symmetry. Third one is transitive. Fourth one is equivalent relation. So first we have to check it. First one is reflexive. Reflexive. Basic definition for reflexive. The basic definition for reflexive is A, belongs to R for all A belongs to N. Why A belongs to N? Because A and B are taking natural number. So all pair of natural number satisfies this condition for the relation. We check it. First one is A. For example, let us take A is 1 because N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So N. So first one is, let us take A equal to 1. So 1, 1 within the relation not. So 1, 1 not satisfied. 2, 2 not satisfied. 3, 3 not satisfied. 4, 4 not satisfied. Only 6, 6 only for satisfied. So for all A belongs to N, meaning that for all natural number satisfies this condition for the relation. It is clear that so only one pair satisfies the relation, so it is not reflexive. Hence, first one is it is not reflexive. First condition is it is not reflexive because for all element not satisfies this relation. It's clear that first one is not reflexive. Second one is symmetry. Symmetry. So basic definition for symmetry. Basic definition for symmetry is A, B belongs to R, which implies B, A belongs to R. A, B belongs to R, which implies B, A also belongs to R. So first we have to check it. 3, 8 in R. 3, 8 in R, but 8, 3 not in R. So first pair not satisfies this condition. Second condition 6, 6, 6, oh satisfies this condition. Second pair is satisfies this condition. Third one is 9, 4, 4, 9 not satisfies this condition. 12, 2, 2, 12. 12, 2 within R, but 2, 12 not in R. So only one pair satisfies this condition, other pair not satisfies this condition, so it is not symmetric. So basic definition for symmetric is all pair. It is clear, understand for you. All pair satisfies this condition, it is called symmetry. At least one pair not satisfies this condition, it is non-symmetry. Clear that? So it is also, it is not symmetry. Second one is, it is not symmetry because only one pair satisfies this condition, another pair not satisfies this condition. Third one is transitive. Transitive. So basic definition for transitive: A comma B. A comma B belongs to A comma B and B comma C belongs to R, which implies A comma C belongs to R. A comma B, B comma C belongs to R, which implies A comma C also belongs to R. So check it, this condition for the relation A comma B. So 3 comma 8. 3 comma 8 in R. But 8 comma start with from 8. Another 8 pair not satisfies. It is clear that 3 comma 8. It is called A comma B. So another pair is start with 8. Start with 8 pair is not in R. So 3 comma 8 not satisfies this condition. It is clear that not satisfies this condition. 6 comma 6. A comma B. Again start with C. 6 comma 6. So it is not satisfies this condition. A comma B, B comma C not satisfied. 9 comma 4. 9 comma 4. 9 comma 4. Another start with from 4 comma another one number. It is called 9 to this number. So satisfies this condition. It is clear that 9 comma 4. 4 comma for example 7. So also 9 comma 7 within pair. So not satisfies. This pair not satisfies. 12 comma 2. 2 comma another number. 12 comma 2 within R. But another pair is 2 comma what number? Therefore 12 comma this number also within U satisfies this pair. So 9 comma 4 not satisfies. Also 12 comma 2 not satisfies. It is clear that we conclude that all the pair, the transitive is basic definition for two type. All the pair satisfies this condition. It is called transitive. Clear understand for you? All the pair satisfies this condition. It is called transitive. Second one is all the pair not satisfies this condition. All the pair not satisfies this condition. It is also transitive. Two definition for transitive. All the pair satisfies this condition. It is called transitive. All the pair not satisfies this condition. It is also transitive. But any one pair satisfies this condition, another pair not satisfies this condition, it is not transitive. It is clear that any one pair satisfies this condition, another pair not satisfies this condition, it is called not transitive. Otherwise it is transitive. Clear that? So given condition is it is transitive. It is transitive. So we have concluded that equivalent relation. Equivalent relation. So fourth one is equivalent. The basic definition for equivalence, it is equivalence or not. All the reflexive, every relation, basic definition for equivalence is every relation satisfies reflexive, symmetry and transitive. It is called equivalent relation. But this relation satisfies only for transitive, not reflexive, not symmetry. So it is called, the given relation is not equivalent relation. The given relation R is not equivalent relation. The given relation is not equivalent relation because it is not satisfies reflexive and symmetry, only for transitive. Is the fifth problem. It is clear that completed fifth problem. And also seventh problem is an assignment problem, same this method. Clear that? Thank you.